If you're buying a Toyota for long-term reliability, maintenance costs probably matter to you. But which model actually costs the least to maintain over time? Today, we are ranking popular Toyota models based on ownership complexity and maintenance patterns. Toyota has a strong reliability reputation, but maintenance cost is not identical across models. Vehicle size, engine type, drivetrain, hybrid components, and part complexity all influence long-term ownership cost. So instead of guessing, let's break this down structurally. We need to look at the numbers. For this ranking, we consider routine maintenance like oil, brakes, and filters, typical wear parts. We also factor in known pattern issues, drivetrain complexity, and overall ownership simplicity. We are comparing the most popular choices: Corolla, Camry, RAV4, Prius, and Highlander. In the lowest maintenance complexity tier, we find two of the most popular sedans on the road. The Toyota Corolla and the four-cylinder Toyota Camry lead this category. These models feature naturally aspirated engines and have a very long production history. Parts are widely available, and there is a lower component load due to their lighter weight. Moving up, we enter the moderate ownership category with some versatile favorites. In this category, we find the Toyota Prius and the Toyota RAV4. While the Prius has hybrid components, lower brake wear often offsets that system complexity. The RAV4 adds size and AWD systems, which can increase long-term part costs slightly. Finally, we have the higher complexity tier, which includes the larger family SUVs. The Toyota Highlander falls here. This doesn't mean it's unreliable, just more complex. Larger vehicles have more suspension load and larger brake systems, increasing expenses over time. It is important to remember that maintenance cost should not be the only factor in your decision. If your number one priority is minimizing maintenance cost, the Corolla is the safest choice. However, if you need the space for a family, the Highlander's benefits may justify its higher cost. The most important factor isn't just the model, it's how you maintain it over the years. Regular servicing and preventive care matter more than small differences between models. For a deeper breakdown of these ownership scenarios, visit the Toyota Directory website. Choose smart. Own smarter. I'll see you in the next analysis.